Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, today this is your boy GB Reviews. Today I want to do an unboxing for you. I just picked up the Omega Planet Ocean, the newest version of the ceramic bezel, and I wanted to show you a little bit about how the unboxing looks. So I picked this up in the Omega shop in Abu Dhabi, and so we're going to unbox it, show you what it looks like, show you what the watch looks like, show you what all the things that are included in the box. So it comes with this nice outside box, which is really nice. And so we're gonna just take it out. So it's just a regular box, but it's nice. But what's really nice is the inside box. So the outside box, this one and this one. And in the outside box, you have your manual, which tells you everything about the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean. And you have the cards for all the warranty cards that'll go back in this box. And then you put your manual, which basically is in several different languages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different languages, English being one of them. And that comes in this box as well. And so I'll put that back over here. But what's nice is that it comes in this really nice wooden box that's like super heavy. And so as you can see, the plastic is still on it. I haven't taken it off. I'm probably just gonna leave it on there. But you push that button, and when you push that button, I'm gonna push it, it reveals the watch. And so in here, I have the brand new, it's Omega Planet Ocean Ceramic Edition. And so you can see it's the brand new one. I have an older version of this one too, but you can see this is a brand new one because it has the clear sapphire back to it. So you can see the clear sapphire back. I don't know a lot about this watch yet because like I said, I just got it. But it's pretty heavy. This is a 43.5 millimeter watch. I'm gonna put it up close so you can see it. But it's the newest version. It comes in several different styles. The style I got was the steel on steel. It comes in titanium and it comes in gold. And this one has the orange partial bezel, but you can get the full orange bezel, the full black bezel. I'll drop the link in for the Omega website so you can see the different versions of this. But this watch is, like I said, pretty heavy. So it's pretty, I'm gonna put it over here. Inside the box is a plain Omega box, but like I said, it's a super heavy box, super nice. Underneath here is extra links if you need extra links. And then there's a case, or not a case, but a pouch for your watch. And then all the warranty cards that actually go into the warranty card slot, they're in there. And it's, you pull that up and it's 3 different warranty cards plus this nice kind of the bottom part of the case so you can pull it out. But I'm gonna put my warranty card back here. But it comes with 3 warranty cards. It says the Master Certified Chronometer. The difference between this watch and the regular Seamaster is that this one is a Master Chronometer certified, which means it goes to 600 meters, and the regular Seamasters only go to 300 meters. And from what I understand about the charge is well, one, it recharges itself once you wind it, as long as you wear it. So it's self-winding. But also it has a 48-hour reserve. So like I said, this watch is super heavy. I'm probably only gonna wear it on the weekends just because I really love my Apple Watch. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you just so you can see. I know I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but this one I thought was a pretty special unboxing because it's such a nice box. I was really impressed with this box. And under the bottom is has a suede bottom. So I'm gonna put it back in the outer box. So it's almost like a sarcophagus because it has the outer box and then it has the internal box, which is nice. But yeah, this is the Omega, the 2019 Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean with the new ceramic bezel. The bezel is ceramic, and then the back side and the front side has the sapphire glass top. So it's a sapphire crystal top. I said glass, but I meant crystal. And then, like I said, 43 millimeters. As I learn more about the watch, I will do a more detailed review of the actual, what this watch is all about. But it's a super nice watch. I like it. The pricing, the reason I bought it in Abu Dhabi is that if you buy it there, you can get it from Omega duty free, which means that it's probably about $1,500 cheaper than if you bought it in the States. And so that's why I bought it in Abu Dhabi. So anyway, I like it. Please leave your comments, subscribe and like below. Leave your comments, let me know if you have specific questions about this watch. Also, hit the notification button so you can see when my new videos come out. I'm gonna drop this video today. I have some more videos to drop, but this one I thought was a very special one. So anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you very much for watching. We're out.
Subscribe right below.